Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add attachments to your weapons in Rust. So basically what you will need to do is first of all craft some, as you can see, some attachments that you can find in weapons. As you can see, like extended magazine, weapon flashlight, hollow sight, and weapon laser sight. So all of these you can find in the weapons. And right here you will need, like for the flashlight, you'll need to have 3 high quality metal when crafted. And basically how you put on your weapon, what you'll need to do is open the inventory and hold this down and just put on the weapon like this. And if you want to take out, just drag like this. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.